Welcome to Noir 3840. This is a random hit break, therefore we're just going to open this box and randomize it at the end. Here we go. 3840. Let's do this. We're going to write in every single card that comes out, and then once we're done, randomize the list. Good luck. AAG 3848. I don't know what break that is. Here we go. Oh shit, that one's in as well. All right, let's do this thing. First up, we have to just 99. It is Nikola Jokic. So a nice way to start things off there. MVP. Nikola Jokic. Big sleeves. Why does every sleeve become small after I've opened it? I don't get it. So that's a Jokic to 99. I have a concern, Toby. Yes. I'll message you in a second. Up next, DeAndre Ayton to just 99. So a good start with the base so far. Ayton to 99. Next one's nice as well. Off to a very good start. Numbered to just 25 for the Sacramento Kings, Tyrese Halliburton. Halliburton to 25. Next card is a little bit of Tyrese Maxey to 99. Maxey to 99. To just 75 for the Nuggets. It's a Hampton jersey. Numbered 8 of 25 for the Suns. It is Mikal Bridges. Bridges to 25. Phoebe Bridges. We followed up with Tyler Bay to 99. Tyler Bay. Oh, next one's nice. To 99 for the Orlando Magic, it's Terrence Ross. Ross to 99. Ooh wee. To just 99, sneaker spotlight signature, Gary Payton. That's a big boy right there. And it's the sneaker that has his own auto on it. Very nice. Payton to 99. And then the last card is sick as well. For the LA Lakers, numbered 17 of 25, patch auto, Anthony Davis. That is a beauty right there. 17 of 25, Anthony Davis. Alrighty, here comes a moment of truth. That's a big box right there. Alright, here we go. 5 times. Let's do this. Good luck to all. The list is as it is on the website. Good luck. 1. This went pretty deep, 2. 3. 5 times as always. 4. And 5. Davis on top, Ross on bottom. That's 5 times. Let's see who's ended up with what. The early bird gets the good word with the Davis. Going straight to Roberto Lay. We'll save that and take care of them. Here we go. You can go onto the website now and check exactly who you've picked up. Here we go. All right. Thank you, Zion. Let's have a look into exactly who's got what. Did you get my message, Tabby?
No, I'm away from my phone.
Please check.
But I can go to my phone.
All right. All right. Alrighty then. Next, cab off the rank is another Noir break. Actually, that's the best way to do it, yeah? Alright. Jokic is Casey. So Casey Miller picks up the Jokic. The Aiton goes to Rebecca Ashford. Hallie goes to Junal. Maxi and 7 to Daniel Bateman. This went hella deep. Hampton goes to spot 6, Jack Holloway. Oh, Tabby. Bridges goes to spot 5, Spiros. Tyrell Terry for the Mavs. Tyler Bay, sorry. Is Jackson Coop. I don't know why I said Tyrell Terry when it's Tyler Bay. Different people, surprisingly. Justin picking up the Spotlight signature. in spot 4. The signature, the spotlight signature sneaker is probably the bigger card, actually, surprisingly. Pardon? Yeah,
Possibly, yeah.
I reckon it is. Terrence Ross goes to spot 10, Jonathan Price. For the Lakers, it is AD, and that was to Roberto Lay. Alrighty, that is that. I'm going to put this all together. E R O C D. Done. Congrats to all those who hit.